So, I just got off work and this is how I'm looking. I look a hot mess. My lipstick gone. One of my eyebrows has wiped off. I'm super duper oily. But, I am going to revamp this look into this. So, let's get started. So I zoomed in a little closer for you guys, so we mainly are going to focus on the eyes. As you all can tell, I already have eyeliner on. I'm thinking about taking it off or working on top of it. We shall see. But I told you I'm going to revamp this look into something else. So, you know, if you're going out for Valentine's Day, you might not have time to come home and completely do your face completely over. So I got y'all. I'm finna help y'all out. So if you don't have time to come home and do a full face, you know, some of us do work a 9 to 5. So if you don't have time to come home and do a whole face, yeah, work with what you got. So I'm gonna attempt to do a pink eyeshadow look. Using this palette right here. I'll show you guys the colors. These are the colors. And I think I'm gonna focus on these two right here. So let's get started. I know y'all probably tired of looking at all these oil on my face. What I'm gonna attempt to do is take a little bit of this airspun powder and absorb some of those oils that's on my around here in this area. Just a little bit, because I'm hella shiny right now. Anyway, we're gonna take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to go in probably with this peachy shade. Matter of fact, let me clean this brush first because it is dirty. If you all don't have one of these, you all need to get one. I got this from my local dollar store. If you don't want to clean your brushes and you want to use the same brush in between color, you literally just rub the brush back and forth and it removes the excess eyeshadow. So, okay, that's that. I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade that if you guys can see, this shade right here. This is a brand new palette. I've had it for like 6 months now and I've never used it. So So I've completed eye one. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I retouch up my makeup. Be back. So I'm back. Other eye is done. I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray. Let it get tacky a little bit. hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did a quick little revamp. I went from this to this. If you all enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.